Many business owners expect a sense of relief once their taxes are filed and are surprised when it doesn't come. If you've ever finished filing and still felt unsettled, this video is for you. For owners, filing taxes often feels like the finish line. There's an expectation that once the paperwork is submitted, the mental weight should lift. When that relief doesn't arrive, owners often assume something is wrong, either with the filing or with themselves. Understanding why this feeling is so common helps normalize the experience and prevents unnecessary worry. In this video, we're not discussing post-filing actions, audits, or follow-up steps. We're also not offering tax advice or evaluating specific situations. We're simply going to explain why filing your taxes doesn't always create closure for business owners, even when everything was done correctly. We'll start by explaining what filing actually completes, then look at why emotional closure often lags behind administrative completion, and finish with a calmer way to understand this transition. This is about understanding, not fixing. What filing actually completes? Filing completes an administrative requirement. It confirms forms have been submitted, numbers have been reported, deadlines have been met. What filing does not complete is emotional processing, financial reflection, mental closure on the year. Those things operate on a different timeline. Why owners expect relief? Owners often expect relief because filing represents the end of a long period of uncertainty. But ownership doesn't stop at filing. There are still payments to reconcile, decisions to revisit, later lessons that haven't surfaced, yet the mind recognizes that not everything is resolved, even if the paperwork is done. The misunderstanding is believing, if I don't feel relieved after filing, something is unfinished or wrong. In reality, it's normal for relief to be delayed. Closure comes from understanding the year, not just reporting it. When owners expect immediate emotional resolution, they're often disappointed unnecessarily. Here's the steadier way to view it. Filing marks the end of compliance, not the end of reflection. It closes a chapter administratively, while the meaning of that chapter settles more slowly. Allowing that space, without judgment, helps owners move forward without carrying excess tension. If filing didn't bring the relief you expected, that doesn't mean something is unresolved or incorrect. It usually means you're transitioning from action to understanding. In the next episode, we'll talk about what actually happens if you're not ready by April 15th, and why the reality is often calmer than owners expect. Please like this video if you have enjoyed. Every like encourages us to create helpful content. Thank you once again for watching. Have a blessed day.